Leveraging customer feedback, improving your website and business. In today's highly competitive digital landscape, customer feedback is more crucial than ever before. By listening to your customers, you can gain valuable insights into how to improve your website and business. In this post, we'll explore the benefits of customer feedback and how to effectively gather and leverage it to enhance your online presence and bottom line. Why customer feedback matters. Discuss the importance of customer feedback in understanding customer needs and expectations. Explain how customer feedback can help identify pain points, improve customer satisfaction, and drive business growth. How to gather customer feedback. Discuss various methods for gathering customer feedback, such as surveys, polls, reviews, and social media monitoring. Explain how to select the right method for your business and target audience. Provide tips for creating effective survey questions and collecting actionable feedback. Analyzing customer feedback. Explain how to analyze and interpret customer feedback to identify patterns, trends, and areas for improvement. Provide examples of data analysis tools and techniques. Implementing changes based on customer feedback. Discuss how to prioritize and implement changes based on customer feedback. Explain the importance of communicating changes to customers and soliciting further feedback. How we can help. Discuss how our web design and digital marketing services can help businesses gather and leverage customer feedback to enhance their online presence and drive business growth. Provide a link to our website and contact information for more information. In conclusion, customer feedback is a valuable asset for businesses seeking to improve their website and overall customer experience. By gathering, analyzing, and implementing changes based on feedback, businesses can enhance their online presence, drive growth, and build customer loyalty.